Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, when I did my garden tour, I got several comments back telling me it was time to pull these radishes, save the seeds, and so that's why I'm going to do a little quickie here and see what I got here from the Daikon radishes. So the first plant here, well, thing is though, since I started upping the water, they're turning back green down here, but let's see what we got here on this one here. Okay, did not like the pot too much. That's all I got off of that Daikon radish. Set it down there for the moment. Let's see what I got off of this one. Yeah, okay, so the radishes don't like the peat pots. That one down there. Yeah, the peat pots are a little too, didn't break down enough, and they're a little too confining for them. Alright. Let's go over to the next one here, which is this one here. Yeah, doesn't like those little peat pots. The bigger the pot, the bigger the radish. This one here. Now this one broke through and started going longer, but it kind of hard doing it one-handed here. This one here is all nice and green, even though it's got a lot of things. I'm just going to leave that one for a minute. Pull this next one out. Yeah, this one broke out of its peat pot pretty good, but it's a lot more moist right here where it's at. And let's see what this one here did. See, it broke through its peat pot, but still not good. Oh, we've got a weed that popped up in here I didn't spot. Yeah. Rid of that. And this one here didn't do squat over there. So I'm going to give those to my daughter, or tell her to do something with them, or feed them to the rabbits. So the last one here, let's get a look at it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, the peat pot. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing when I'm looking down here. The camera's aiming. Okay, so this peat pot here totally got enough water so it broke away. I'm gonna have to come up with a different way of doing the Daikon radishes here, I think. That got a weed there. Yeah. Okay. Also, I think a actual new sucker hose might have helped a little bit better than the one from recycled one from the previous owner. All right, so hang on. Oh, it's small, but it's ripe. Yep. Now, something else right next to it here, the lettuces. Grasshoppers. I came out here and there were about 5 or 6 of them gnawing on that lettuce, and then it blew away. So, yeah, the grasshoppers are causing problems out here too. Alrighty, so that's what I got for my Daikons. We're gonna do it again here quickly. So, let me know what you think about these. If it was definitely the peat pot screwing it up, and probably a lack of water too, because once it had more water, it looked better. So, all right, if you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Share it out with your friends. Alrighty, and as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. Plant a garden, grow something, even if nothing happens to it. But get the experience of growing stuff. All right. See you around.